Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dropbox Sign for faster contract turnaround from LinkedIn step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox Sign website. Find the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, look for the dashboard. This is where you can manage your documents and contracts. If you want to upload a new document, click the Upload button. Select the contract or document you need to send. After uploading, fill in the necessary details for the contract. You may need to enter recipient information and set signing orders. Once satisfied, click Send. Review the summary of your contract before finalizing. This will ensure everything is accurate. Once everything looks good, confirm and send the contract. You're all set to track the status of your contract from the dashboard. Logging into Dropbox Sign is that simple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.